In the golden age of aviation, a new chapter unfolded, ushering in an era of unparalleled speed and audacious ambition. This was the era of the Concorde, a titan among aircraft, a marvel of engineering, and a symbol of the human spirit's unyielding desire to conquer the skies. The year was 1962, and the world stood on the precipice of a technological revolution. Britain and France, longtime rivals in the realm of aviation, had joined forces to create a machine that would defy the speed of sound, breaking the shackles of the conventional and venturing into the uncharted territories of supersonic flight. The Concorde, a sleek, elegant craft, was the brainchild of British and French aerospace industries. Its design was a testament to the harmonious blend of aesthetics and practicality, a symphony of engineering that promised to redefine air travel forever. But the road to supersonic flight was fraught with challenges. The Concorde's development was a complex ballet of politics, technology, and human tenacity. Engineers wrestled with the daunting task of creating engines powerful enough to propel the aircraft at twice the speed of sound, while scientists grappled with the complexities of supersonic aerodynamics. The first test flight of the Concorde took place on March 2, 1969, a day etched in the annals of aviation history. With the world watching, the Concorde roared into the skies, its delta-winged silhouette a beacon of hope and progress. The Concorde's maiden voyage was not without incident. A near disaster in 1973, when a tire blew during takeoff, resulting in a devastating fire, forced a temporary halt in flights. However, the resilience of the Concorde team was unwavering. They redesigned the aircraft's tires and improved safety measures, ensuring the Concorde's return to the skies was safer than ever. From 1976, the Concorde graced the skies, offering its fortunate passengers a glimpse into the future. The supersonic journey from London to New York took just over 3 hours, a feat unimaginable in the days of propeller planes. The Concorde's supersonic speed was not without consequence. The sonic boom it created upon breaking the sound barrier was a source of controversy. Critics argued that the noise pollution was unacceptable, and governments around the world began to impose flight restrictions. In 2000, after 27 years of service, the last Concorde flight landed at Filton Airfield in Bristol, marking the end of an era. The Concorde, once a symbol of human achievement, was grounded for good. The Concorde story is a testament to the spirit of innovation and the indomitable human will to push the boundaries of what is possible. Despite its early retirement, the Concorde's legacy lives on, inspiring future generations to dream, to innovate, and to strive for the skies. In the annals of aviation history, the Concorde stands as a shining beacon, a monument to human ingenuity, and a reminder that the skies are not the limits, but merely a challenge waiting to be conquered.